Hey guys, because you guys liked my other collection videos, I'm gonna do a plush collection of my non-bird video game plushies. This would not include the normal birds, only the video game characters that I have that are not Angry Bird or normal birds like this guy. Without further ado, I'll just start now. First is probably the most strangest plush I have. The grass block. The grass block I literally recently got. Like, I want to say yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. So, yeah, probably the most unique plush I have from Minecraft. Next up, still small, my mini Knuckles plush. I have 2 mini Knuckles. Well, technically 3. I can't find the other one. But mini Knuckles. I also got mini Shadow. Funny enough, I got this before the movie came out. The Sonic 3 movie. Quills. Yeah. Shadow. My only Amy plush is this one right here. If I do end up making a Sonic series, I am going to need more plushies on this. You'll see why in the next ones. Mini Tails. Now I'm saying this right now, but I lost my words. Any plushies that are not in this video will probably be in a short, one way or another. So I'll keep rewatching this video. Case let's double check something. Oh yeah. My biggest non-angry plush in bird plush. The giant Goomba. Yeah, my biggest plush. Well, one of my biggest plushies. Yeah, this guy's huge. That's the only way to stand up. Technically, this will also go in a normal bird category, but it's also a Minecraft plush. The chicken. Makes sound. Normal Minecraft chicken. Next up, we have the normal Sonic. Yep. I'm gonna start stacking them soon. Next up, we have Mugman. One of 2 Cuphead plushies I have. Might make a crossover with the birds and Cuphead. Shadow. You're a colorful bunch. Pretty good Shadow plush. Probably the oldest plush I have in this collection. My Mario plush. Still in good condition. Other than the tag, but that's the tag. But Mario. Knuckles the Echidna. Normal Knuckles. Get out of here, Terrence. Need more room. Next up is not my most recent Mario plush, Bowser. Look at my mouth. I am Bowser, but I am Bowser. Don't mind the other plushies there. I'm gonna move and put Bowser back there. Do some reorganizing. Gonna move some of them over here. Now we got more. Next up, my pirate zombie. I don't know if it's gonna be this year or next year, but I am gonna make a plan for the zombie series. Yeah. I don't really have a name for him, other than Runner Zombie. I do have a catchphrase for him though. This is my Runner Zombie. Pretty weird dude. My mini creeper. Put him there. Gotta fix him a little, but newspaper. My goodness! Bunny. Minecraft bunny. Put him up there. I'm Bunny the bunny! My blue sheep. Probably the weirdest plush I have because it's just a random blue sheep. I'll put on the grass. Yes, I do have Among Us plushies. Logsworth. Name is based off an Among Us logic character. Logsworth. I'm gonna need to keep moving these guys, I'm sorry. Potato Mine. One of my favorite plants for the zombies plushies. Well, plants wise anyways. Now. My boy Cuphead. One of my favorite games to play to this day. Mr. Cheese, or as I like to call him, Big Cheese. Mr. Cheese. I am going to make room, so give me a second. There we go. More room. Can't have non-plushies, only bird plushies without the Pokemon. Charmander. And Lily Carl. My boy. Probably one of my oldest Pokemon plushies too. Bulbasaur. That's my boy. What are you doing? Get out of there. You see what I want to say? I want to see Panseer. I really do. Blooper. Bloop. He's such a blooper. You cheap. Heading back to Mario. Toad. My final Sonic plush is my boy, as I like to call him, Rare Sonic. I'm putting him right here. Right there. I can't even fit this all in one thing, jeez. Walnut. I'm running out of room at the put. Come on, characters. Night Zombie. I'm gonna poke you with this. I'm gonna poke you. Hiya! Donkey Kong. Cat Mario. Might be an antagonist soon. Sunflower. Gotta fix him. Cause his leaves. With Cabbage Poke. A little squished. Kinda squished. Oh shoot, wrong end. Wintermelon. The cattail. One of my favorite plants, and probably most of plants with zombies. I don't know yet. I really don't know. Snorlax. Chubby Snorlax. Eevee Fluffyson. Weirdest name ever. I have to put you right there. I'm gonna start stacking them on each other now. Minecraft Steve. They're just throw them on there. Also got the Minecraft Fox. Duck Tube. Don't know my other duck tube is though. I have like 2 others. I'm not gonna bring them out. Tweet the Torchic. Oh yeah, my biggest Minecraft plush. Bluey! Pikachu. The Minecraft Axolotl. Creeper 1. Panda. Bonkla Choi. Yellow. My boy Luigi. Little Cheese or Little Swiss. Ninja. Squirtle me timbers. My squished up Pokeball. Koopa Troopa. The Gentleman. Minecraft Pig. The Minecraft Bat. One of the more older ones. More carp. There's so much left. Bro. Piranha Plant. Coney the Conehead. Repeater. Enderman. Zombie 1 and Zombie 2. Another cow. Another ducky. Yoshi and Split Pea. Banana Source Rex. Another ducky. Final count. Right, the final countdown. We have Boo. Goomba. Hypnoshroom. Jalapeno. And finally, Snoopy. I don't even know how to show you guys this. Now for the fun part of this whole thing. Putting them back. Yeah, you get to watch as this all fumbles down. Getting that more cap. Little ones. Cup here, the cup. Ah! Yeah. Bola toy. I'm not gonna lie, my foot kind of fell asleep in between this, so this is gonna hurt. Is that my pants? Got the first few columns. Yeet! 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 That'll save room. If you guys think this collection is big, you guys are gonna be surprised when I bring out the birds. Wait, get in you. I'm gonna put my phone down for the rest of it. Cause I'm not gonna let you guys. Ow! Oh no, it's Knuckles. Knuckles, what are you doing? I'm oohing. What's oohing? That's a lot of plushies. Anyways, get out of here, chicken. That's all for today, guys. 2 videos in one day. Bye.